In this video, we are going to talk about pocket option copy trading, and I'm going to exactly show you how you can do copy trading inside pocket option. And moreover, if you watch this video till the end, then you will have an informative knowledge on how you can copy trades in a profitable way. So watch this video very carefully. And if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. Now without doing any delay, let's get started. So first of all, I'll explain to you about my copy trading service which I provide in my private Telegram channel. And if you want to join my Telegram channel, link will be in the description of this YouTube video. And if you have watched some of my shorts in past and if the link of my Telegram channel was not clickable, then in shorts YouTube have not allowed the clickable links. That's why you need to watch this kind of video which is in long form and see the link of the Telegram channel in the description or in the comment section of the video, and you will easily be able to click it and join the Telegram channel. Now once you join my Telegram channel, then what happens, you will get some instructions there and you need to follow that instructions to join the VIP. And once you join the VIP, you will get the UID that is used to make copy trading on pocket option. So I'll explain you exactly. So this is one of my VIP traders account who was able to bank $8,000 in profit. He had just started in 24 October. So now today is I think November 14, and you can see the graph is only increasing, and he was only copying my trades without trading by himself. And I trade from Monday to Friday, no any trades on OTC market while providing copy trading service, and total trades were 164, and I make consistently $200 per trade in each trade. Okay, so this was the yesterday's results, and here you can see 7 trades were made, 1108 profit, 100% win rate was there. And in today also there was 4 trades were made and $688 in total profit. So now what I will do is I will exactly explain you how copy trading works. So for example, you have got my UID for an example. Okay, so now what you can do is you can just log into your pocket option account, and then you just see this social trading feature. Just click on that social trading feature, and then you will see this kind of thing, and you can copy all of them if you want, but you will not be able to make good amount of profit because I'll explain it later. Okay, why that happens. Firstly, let's talk about our core topic. So you have my UID. Now what you can do is you can just click on here and go to search. So this is an example UID. This is not my UID. Okay, I'm just showing you as an example. You just paste that UID at here and you'll see the name that have appeared at here, and then you can just click on that name. Now once you do this much, then you will see this kind of interface. Now you just click on copy, and stop balance leave it 1, minimum copy trade amount leave it 1, maximum copy trade amount limit 1. Make it unlimited. Okay, change nothing in these 3 boxes. If you want to put a stop loss, you can, but I would suggest you to not put it because it will interrupt you while copying my trades. Now for some reason that is happening with lots of VIP traders, so I don't tell anyone to use this stop loss, but that is your choice. Okay, you can put it. And in copy in proportion, you can see it 100%. So I have told you I'll only make $200 per trade in each trade. So if you put 100% at here, then you will be copying my $200 per trade. Similarly, if you make it 50, then you will copy my $100 per trade. For example, if I make $200 per trade, then you can copy $100 per trade if you put this 50% at here. Similarly, if you put 1% at here, then you will be copying my $2 per trade. So I make $200 per trade, you will copy $2 per trade. In this way, you can do the copy trading setting and then just click on confirm, and immediately you will start to copy. So now you can just do this setup and be offline, and whenever I make trade, this trade will be automatically copied in your account, and if I make profit, you will also make profit. So now one important thing, why I told you that all of these traders, if you copy these random traders, then you will become in loss. So as you remember that I have told you I only make $200 per trade, but here you can see a trader whose max trade is for today, whose max trade is 1713 and minimum trade is $120. So that means if he make 5 trades of $120, then you will make profit. His profitable trades will increase, percentage will increase. But if you make one loss of $17-13, then that will be a disaster for you. If you are copying is 100% of trade, 50% of trade, so in that way you can go in loss. But I make consistent amount of trade, like let's see at these trades and in closed. As you can see here, I make $200 per trade in each trade, and you can easily copy these trades and make percentage up and down, and you can copy fluently. If this video was helpful for you, then please do like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.